2, add 5, add 2, minus 3, minus 1, add 2. The answer is 7. Okay. Then 7 is the right answer. The third question, clear abacus. Add 6, add 3, minus 8, add 2, add 5, minus 8, add 2, add 5, add 2, minus 9, add 6, add 1. The answer is 8. Okay, answer is 7. Okay, the next second and third standard.